If you're a jewelry maker, this idea could make you some money. Let's check them out. Hello, good people. This is Sherry, and I am reintroducing my Lady face pens. Some of them are 2D. Someone asked me about them recently, and I had really forgotten about them. But I wanted to show you what I have. The 2D ones, the face is in 2 or 3 parts. We have the base of the face, and then we have the hair and the nose, which gives it the 2D part. And I also can do the lips separately. Although to me, the lips being separate or not doesn't make a big deal. Here I'm making the queen faces. The first one that I made was the queen with the crown. And then later I created the hair and decided to do that style. And the one with the hair has been the most popular one. I have been offering these, face, the plain face, not the 2D, but I've been offering the plain face with the hair in a 3-inch earring, and it's been selling pretty well. So I'll leave a link to that in the description. But let me know what you think about the 2D part. Does the 2D make any difference, or is it, is the plain face just fine? So let me let you take a look at these so you can help me to decide. This is one of the face pens that has the 2D with the nose and the hair and the lips. And then here's the queen and the queen pen with wrapped hair. And here's how they look after I cut them and take them out of my Glowforge. I do cut them on my laser cutter, and I use this glue to put them together. This is one that I put a wood stain on. I used a wood stain, and the color was Golden Pecan. When I put it together, I just line up the parts. If I get the nose right, then I know everything else is gonna be right. And then I add a little bit of interest to her hair, and she's basically done. They all come with earring holes if you want to add some interest by putting a pair of earrings on them. And then if you want another different look, you can put a head wrap on her. Okay, you can get these in a pair of one set, or you can get them in sets of 5 pair or 10 pair. That's the plain earring, not the 2D. And I'm offering the 4-inch 2D pin also. You can buy them one of each. All right, good people, you know the drill. Please like, give me a thumbs up, give me a comment, subscribe if you're new here. This is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.